It is hard to believe that nearly 50% of adults over the age of 50 suffer from a sleep disorder called insomnia. This isn't just about tossing and turning. It's a significant health concern that affects daily life. Today, we'll explore what insomnia truly is, why it becomes more common as we age, and delve into the fascinating stages of sleep, including REM. Stick around to understand how you can improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Let's start by understanding insomnia. Insomnia is a sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early and not being able to return to sleep. It's more than an occasional restless night. It's a persistent problem that can lead to daytime fatigue, mood disturbances, and impaired cognitive function. According to the National Institute on Aging, insomnia becomes more prevalent with age, affecting a significant portion of adults over 60. So, why does insomnia become more common as we get older? Several factors contribute to this trend. Firstly, changes in sleep architecture occur with aging. Older adults tend to experience a decrease in deep sleep stages and an increase in lighter sleep stages, making them more susceptible to awakenings during the night. Additionally, the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, can shift, causing earlier bedtimes and wake-up times. This shift can lead to fragmented sleep if lifestyle adjustments aren't made. Medical conditions also play a significant role in sleep disturbances among older adults. Chronic pain from conditions like arthritis, respiratory problems, and gastrointestinal issues can make it challenging to stay asleep. Moreover, mental health disorders such as depression and anxiety are linked to insomnia. Dr. Michael Vitiello, a renowned sleep researcher from the University of Washington, emphasizes that sleep complaints are more prevalent in individuals with multiple medical conditions. Medications commonly prescribed for age-related ailments can further complicate sleep patterns. For instance, certain blood pressure medications, antidepressants, and corticosteroids are known to interfere with sleep. It's crucial to review your medications with a healthcare provider to identify potential sleep-disrupting side effects. Sometimes, adjusting the timing or dosage can make a significant difference. Lifestyle factors shouldn't be overlooked either. Reduced physical activity, increased daytime napping, and decreased exposure to natural light can all negatively impact sleep quality. Engaging in regular exercise, even light activities like walking, can promote better sleep. Additionally, ensuring exposure to natural light during the day helps regulate the circadian rhythm, promoting a healthier sleep-wake cycle. Now, let's delve into the stages of sleep to understand what happens when we close our eyes. Sleep is divided into two main types. Point 1. Non-rapid eye movement (NREM) sleep. 2. And rapid eye movement (REM) sleep. NREM sleep consists of 3 stages, each progressively leading to deeper sleep. Stage 1 is the lightest stage, where you drift in and out of sleep. Stage 2 involves a decrease in body temperature and heart rate as the body prepares for deep sleep. Stage 3, also known as deep sleep, is crucial for physical restoration and growth. REM sleep is the stage where most dreaming occurs. During this phase, brain activity increases and the body experiences temporary muscle paralysis, preventing us from acting out our dreams. REM sleep is essential for cognitive functions such as memory consolidation and emotional regulation. A typical sleep cycle progresses through these stages and lasts about 90 to 110 minutes, repeating several times throughout the night. Understanding these sleep stages highlights the importance of uninterrupted sleep cycles. Frequent awakenings or difficulty transitioning between stages can lead to a deficiency in REM or deep sleep, resulting in feelings of unrefreshing sleep. This disruption is a common complaint among individuals with insomnia, particularly in older adults. So, how can we address insomnia, especially in those over 50? Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI, is considered the first-line treatment. This therapy focuses on identifying and changing thoughts and behaviors that negatively affect sleep. Dr. Greg D. Jacobs, a sleep specialist at the University of Massachusetts Medical School, states, CBTI has been shown to be more effective than sleep medications in the long-term treatment of chronic insomnia. Unlike sleeping pills, which offer temporary relief and come with risks of dependency, CBTI addresses the root causes of poor sleep. Dr. Charles Morin, a psychologist specializing in sleep disorders, states, CBTI has been shown to improve sleep efficiency by up to 80% in older adults. The therapy involves techniques like stimulus control, where you train your brain to associate the bed only with sleep, and sleep restriction, which limits time spent in bed to boost sleep drive. Another key strategy is mindfulness meditation. Studies from the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA show that practicing mindfulness significantly reduces nighttime awakenings and improves overall sleep quality. By calming the mind and reducing stress, meditation helps break the cycle of anxious thoughts that keep you awake. In some cases, medication may be prescribed, but it's typically recommended for short-term use due to potential side effects and the risk of dependency. It's essential to work closely with a healthcare provider to determine the most appropriate treatment plan tailored to individual needs. Lifestyle modifications can also play a pivotal role in improving sleep quality. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time daily reinforces your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Creating a restful environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet can further promote better sleep. Limiting exposure to screens before bedtime, as the blue light emitted can interfere with melatonin production, is also advisable. Dietary habits impact sleep as well. Reducing caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the evening, can prevent sleep disturbances. While alcohol might initially make you feel drowsy, it can disrupt sleep later in the night. Additionally, avoiding large meals close to bedtime can prevent discomfort and aid in better sleep. Regular physical activity is beneficial, but timing matters. Engaging in vigorous exercise too close to bedtime can be stimulating. Instead, aim for moderate exercise earlier in the day to help regulate sleep patterns. Activities like yoga or stretching in the evening promote relaxation and prepare the body for restful sleep. Another effective approach to improving sleep quality is practicing relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. The American Academy of Sleep Medicine highlights that mindfulness meditation can significantly improve sleep quality in individuals suffering from chronic insomnia. Exposure to natural light during the day, especially in the morning, helps regulate the circadian rhythm. Dr. Charles Chaisler, a sleep scientist at Harvard Medical School, emphasizes that exposure to bright morning light helps reset the body's internal clock and promotes better sleep at night. Spending at least 30 minutes outside in natural sunlight can be highly beneficial, particularly for older adults who may spend more time indoors. Another lesser-known factor affecting sleep is body temperature regulation. Keeping the bedroom cool, ideally between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 19 degrees Celsius, can help signal to the body that it's time to sleep. Research has shown that a slight drop in core body temperature initiates sleep, and maintaining a cooler sleeping environment can enhance sleep efficiency. So let's recap. Insomnia is a common issue for people over 50 or even 40, often caused by changes in sleep architecture, medical conditions, medications, and lifestyle factors. As we age, deep sleep decreases, making us more prone to frequent awakenings. Insomnia disrupts sleep cycles, including vital REM sleep, leading to fatigue, mood issues, cognitive decline, and one of the most common causes of dementia. Treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI, lifestyle adjustments, and proper sleep hygiene can significantly improve sleep quality. Exposure to natural light, regular exercise, and relaxation techniques also help a lot. Addressing insomnia is crucial for overall health and well-being, especially as we get older. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need some advice. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. If you're interested in similar topics with more details or a more comprehensive approach, watch other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.